Hey everyone, and welcome to Do Academy. Valentine's Day is an annual festival celebrated every 14th of February. It's a celebration of romance, love, and friendship, where couples send Valentine's Day cards, flowers, and spend time together to honor their love for each other. Psst, this explains why the spike in demand for florists and candy shops. But there is more to this day of love. Here are 6 fun facts about where our money goes on Valentine's Day. Fun fact number 1. People tend to overspend on Valentine's Day gifts. According to the National Retail Federation in the United States of America, Valentine's Day spending is expected to rise approximately 8.4% this year. Consumers are expected to spend a blistering $25.9 billion for this occasion. The breakdown for the expenditure includes 57% on candies, 40% on greeting cards, 37% on flowers, 32% on an evening out, and 21% on jewelries. Despite inflation, consumers are seemingly unaffected when it comes to showering their loved ones with gifts for the season. Fun fact number 2. 58% of candy purchases for Valentine's Day is chocolate. We certainly have an affinity for sweets. Chocolate is by far the most popular treat to be purchased on Valentine's Day. Over the last decade, half of all Americans surveyed that they were going to purchase candy as a gift for their significant other. According to a 2022 survey by the National Confectioners Association in the United States of America, a whopping 58% of candy purchases on Valentine's Day were chocolate. Approximately 36 million heart-shaped boxes of chocolate were sold on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day candy sales statistics indicate that sweet spending totaled at an astounding $2.4 billion in 2020. Fun fact number 3. The average consumer spends about $175 on Valentine's Day. A survey by the National Retail Federation of the United States of America indicates that an average consumer would spend approximately $192.80 per household celebrating Valentine's Day this year. This is an increase from $175.41 in 2022 and $164.76 in 2021. These expenses add up from gifts purchases for children, spouses or partners, parents, teachers, colleagues, pets, etc. Regardless of inflation, the purchasing power of consumers remain unaffected as they are still generously purchasing gifts for their loved ones. Fun fact number 4. Red roses are the most frequently purchased flower. Red roses are the most sought-after colored flower during Valentine's Day, followed by pink roses and white roses. The Society of American Florists estimates that more than 250 million roses are produced specifically for Valentine's Day every year. That is a lot of roses. It is without a doubt that Valentine's Day is the #1 holiday for florists. A total of 22% of American adults purchased fresh flowers or plants for Valentine's Day in 2022. Fun fact number 5. Adults aged between 35 to 44 are more likely to spend on Valentine's Day. Statistically, consumers aged between 35 to 44 are the most likely to spend the most on Valentine's Day in the United States as of January 2022. It was also reported that most consumers intend to spend an average of $280, making them the leading spenders of last year. Following closely behind are consumers aged between 25 to 34 with an approximate $245 average on Valentine's Day expenses. The older age groups tend to be thriftier. It is speculated that they may be saving money for their retirement. Fun fact number 6. An average of 20% of pet owners are willing to spend extra on their pets for Valentine's Day. Not human? No worries. When it comes to pets, even they get showered with love for the occasion. The National Retail Federation reported that an estimated of $1.189 billion was projected to be spent on pets for Valentine's Day last year. 21.2% of people surveyed that they have bought gifts for their pets and spent an average of only $5.28 on gifts. Although our furry friends may not understand the concept of Valentine's Day, it would not discourage pet owners from spending on them. After all, it's the thought that counts. No matter how you choose to celebrate the occasion, February 14 is one of the most special days of the year to celebrate with your significant other, pets included. However, it is perceived that additional costs may still incur, so be sure to spend wisely. Be sure to like, share, and follow Do Academy for more actionable investment insights now.